I am making a video for you guys specially, okay? So I would like you to see that what you need to do using your describe image template, retell lecture template, how to speak in read aloud. I have applied one-line strategy. I want to show you exactly how you should do your actual PT exam. And today I have used the Pearson mock test. Of this video is just to show you how to answer during the PT exam. You need to look into where I make my pauses, how I'm speaking the template, okay? What is my speed, what is my fluency, and things like that, okay? So let's go straight into the video and just see what I do and try to copy exactly what I do during the PT exam. Do exactly like this. This video is going to be really, really helpful for you, okay? My target is to get 79 plus. I'm just going to answer the speaking section today. So as you can see in front of my screen, I'm going to use one-line strategy. So I'm going to speak only 8 words. Okay, the easy 8 words. Extroverts tend to move quickly and try to influence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so I'm just going to try to say these words. Extroverts tend to move quickly and try to influence. Extroverts tend to move quickly and try to influence. Extroverts tend to move quickly and try to influence. Extroverts tend to move quickly and try to influence. This looks a bit easy to me when you consider the amount of time you spend in the office. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'll just go after spent, okay? After spent. When you consider the amount of time spent, when you consider the amount of time spent. So I'm going from the middle of the sentence this time. When you consider the amount of time spent. When you consider the amount of time spent. Next one. Okay. Something easy. With a population of only just over 30 million living in the world. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'm just gonna say up to 30 million. With a population of only just over 30 million. With a population of only just over 30 million. Or with a population of only just over 30 million. With a population of only just over 30 million. With a population of only just over 30 million. Okay, this is a hard one. Had been home for the thousands of years. Had been home for the thousands of years to indigenous Australians. Okay, Australians whom the plains ranges. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Deserts were sustaining. Let's go with this one. Australians for whom the plains, ranges, and deserts were sustaining. Okay, I can do this one. A lot of S's. Australians for whom the plains, ranges, and the deserts were sustaining. Okay, let's go with an easy one. This looks like an easy one to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I think this much is enough. Because they can be made to a higher level. Because, or I can just say from here actually. They can be made to a higher level of animation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That can be made to a higher level of animation. They can be made to a higher level of animation. Okay, repeat sentence. The elephant is the largest living land mammal. There are lots of new opportunities to meet new people in this course. The computer crashed and I haven't saved time for my work. Most of them are easy, by the way. Okay. You must name your identification card and name in the identification card form. Oh, that was a wrong one. That was a wrong one. The main issue is to see how to launch the new product. This paper is the best one to look at first. What's going on that can lead the patient have their fears at the door? Inflation rose by 2% over this time last year. Inflation rose by 2% at this time last year. Academic for the course should be done in English and journalism. A little bit of mistake there. After 1830, periodic tables were in large parts of America. Soil erosion can be done in plenty in line growth. Oh, that's a pretty bad one. I'm going to just say my template just once. I'm just going to say the first time, I'm just going to say volunteers, expenses, and then I want to say 10, 20, 30, 40%. Okay, easy ones. So here we go. I've got the template written down in front of me. The image describes about the volunteers who incurred expenses. It also provides information about the topic in different categories. It is clear from the image that some figures are highest and lowest, 10, 20, 30, 40. After analyzing this image, it can be concluded that there are many important facts and figures. I spoke about 15 seconds, if you noticed. Okay, this time I'm going to say education pays. Then I'm going to say doctorate degree, master's degree, bachelor degree, associate degree. I'll probably say master's degree, bachelor's degree, associate degree, okay? I'll just put that in my template, in my second sentence this time. The image describes, okay. The image describes about education pays. It also provides information about the topic in different categories. These are master's degree, bachelor's degree, associate degree. It is clear from the image that some figures are highest and lowest. After analyzing this image, it can be concluded that there are many important facts and figures. Okay, don't worry about it. Looks complicated, doesn't matter. The image describes about security needs. That's what I'm going to say. The second time I'm going to say STEAM needs and oh, that's a hard word. Safety needs, I'll probably say belonging needs. I can see that as well. Okay, so yeah, I'll say these two then. Security needs, belonging needs, and safety needs. The image describes about the security needs. It also provides information about the topic in different categories. Safety needs, belonging needs. It is clear from the image that some figures are highest and lowest. After analyzing this image, it can be concluded that there are many important facts and figures. I kept it very simple. Okay, now I'm going to write Retell lecture. modern. Okay, so the keywords are mostly from what you can see on your screen. I have got few extra words, but that's it. I'll try to finish in 20 seconds. Okay, I have about, I'll say about 10 to 12 words. The image describes about the 19th century ideas kinetic theory. It also provides information about the topic in different categories: material, heat, temperature, and thermodynamics. It is clear from the image that some figures are highest and lowest: matter, atoms, and fluctuation. After analyzing this image, it can be concluded that there are many important facts and figures, valid and absolute. So 20 seconds, that's it. Brisbane. I really don't know the answer. Glass. That was an easy one. Pharmacist. I knew that one, that's why. Okay. A chemistry lab. You don't have to answer these. I'm gonna make some jokes out of it now. I have no idea what is this answer. Maybe India. I don't know. Shah Rukh Khan, maybe. So as you can see, I made a joke out of that question. Geography. Okay, so that's it. That's the end of my test. I'm just going to quickly press next, and I want to see what score I get in speaking. Okay. Yep, I'm going to quickly press next. That's what I'm doing. I'm not going to answer anything, as you can see. I'm just quickly skipping. My main purpose is to see that the strategies that I've been using, how to do speaking tests, that's the main idea here, so that you can copy me and you can do the test as well, okay? I will wrap up again. I hope I get good score, above 79. And I will wrap up what I did and so on, okay? Yeah, the 16 question I skipped, okay? And that's it. I'll come back later on and I'll tell you the answer. Take care. Alright guys, so thank you for watching my video, okay, and that is exactly how you should speak. Today I'll probably say I didn't do my level best because I did have some distraction when I was doing the mock test. You know that when I'm taking this test, it's in the middle of the class. There's always students, there's always you guys coming in asking me questions, so I had to talk, I had to pause, and I had to finish at the same time, okay? But having said that, if you look at my score right now, I was expecting 79, okay? But I just missed by 1 mark, 78, okay? Now, I'll tell you and I'll explain the scores. So first thing first, in read aloud, I used one-line strategy. If you noticed, I used only one-line strategy. I've only went through those sentences that I found comfortable. If you notice in the 40-second as well that I spoke multiple times, I was repeating multiple times. Okay, I did not speak so fast. I chose 8 words. I did not speak so fast, just enough so that the words were picking up. Okay, the pronouncing was clear, the words were clear, and I spoke in one breath. But I did not speak too fast. Okay, so it's pretty easy. Just make sure that you pick any 8 words you want. Okay, and you should able to be fine. Okay, just pick the words that you like. Okay, not that what I want, what you like, what you feel comfortable. 8 words, 1 breath, and make sure the words are clear and you get a good score. All right. Number 2, in repeat sentence, that's where the distraction started. I had 12 repeat sentences, and in this 12 repeat sentence, I'm pretty sure I made 3 of them really bad. Okay, so out of 12, I did 3 really bad. You can actually, what you need to do is keep it in mind when you get 12 sentences or 10 sentences in repeat sentence, you can make 2 mistakes. 2 of them you can do really bad. Rest of the questions should be pretty good. Okay, all the marks in speaking lies in repeat sentence. So out of those 12, 3 of them I did really bad, and there was, I think it was 2 more questions I did not speak entirely correct as well, and that's the reason I lost mark from 19 to 78. So that's the only reason. Now, having said that, if you still look, my listening score is pretty decent. Okay, I got 36 in listening. That's also the combination of Retell lecture, but I did lose scores in the speaking section because I did stumble. I did make some pauses in repeat sentence. So I'll be very honest with you. I had distractions. I was also speaking in the camera, if you noticed as well. That also keep extra distraction. But that's the reason. That's the only reason. Okay, it's not because of Read Aloud. Read Aloud was fantastic. As you can see that I got 34 marks in the reading. That's pretty awesome. So just reading 8 lines and I'm getting, using one-line strategy, I'm getting 34 marks. Okay. Now for describe image, if you notice that I only spoke 15 seconds, I spoke quite fast. I did say some content. So if you notice that I said a little bit from the title and I said a little bit from the content, please do say 2, 3, 4 words from the content maximum, not more than that. Try to speak in 15 seconds. However, if you do practice 15 seconds in 𝐴𝑖WA or any other software, you will not get a really decent score. So probably saying when you are practicing in 𝐴𝑖WA, AppUni or any other software, okay, you might need to speak 20 seconds. But in the PT exam, 15 seconds should be perfectly okay. All right. So 15 seconds that I did. Now, have you noticed one more thing interesting about the Retell lecture? In Retell lecture, I use describe image template, right? I did not say the lecture. I said the image describe, it also provide. So yes, I have used describe image template in Retell lecture. It did not affect my score. Okay, I got full score in my listening section. So anyway, so what I'm trying to say is that yes, I am a little bit upset. I would like 79 plus. I just missed by 1 mark. But I got pretty decent score in my listening, 36 marks. I got pretty good score just saying 8 words, and I got my 34 marks in the reading section. So do follow what I'm doing right now, and I'm sure you're gonna beat me. You're gonna get 90, not 78 like me. Okay, you're gonna do a better score. Okay, so just make sure, watch this video again. Watch this video just, I probably said that just before the PT exam. Okay, you will have your phone with you, isn't it? Play this video when you're on the bus, when you're on the train. Watch this video how I'm doing speaking and apply it in your PT exam. It works beautifully. Okay, good luck, take care.